thus saith the Lord. Fountains and waterfall will dry up globally. Fountains and natural waterfalls are going to dry up. This is a significant move that will happen globally, even in Nigeria. Suddenly, the places people admire and desire to go to and view the waterfall suddenly will have no more water coming out from them. The brook will dry up and the rocks will no longer have water in them. The waters underneath the earth will suddenly begin to create channels to spring up, and mostly in unlikely places. And if measures are not put in place, it can lead to flooding in many regions of the world. The water channel will be disrupted, and water will gush out from unexpected places in various locations, direct from underneath the ground to the surface, to the upper surface of the earth. And if the people or the government do not quickly channel it, or create a pathway for it, or use it to create more waterfalls or tourist attraction centers, the people around the region will suffer massive flooding. Do not try to block it. It is more dangerous to try to block the waters from rising to the surface. The blocking will do more danger than the flooding. When it is blocked, it will only take time, and houses around there will suddenly collapse, and people will sink. People will sink in the ground suddenly while walking on the road, says the Lord. Unfortunately, the waters cannot be suppressed. It is coming from underneath the ground. You can only create channel or create something from it, but never attempt to block it. Waters underneath the earth is taking a new direction and finding new channels. The Spirit of God revealed, the mouth of God has spoken, the zeal of God has performed it. Amen.